date her like a bad boy, but love her like a lover. In other words, have some attributes of the bad boy in your relationship, but don't be such a bad boy that you don't know how to love her. You don't know how to treat her like a real lover. And when you have these two attributes, we create something called emotional stimulation. And emotional stimulation is something that keeps a woman happy, keeps a woman engaged, it keeps a woman turned on. And people might say, well, why do you have to work this stuff up? Why do you have to like tell yourself emotionally stimulate your woman? Because why are more than half of the marriages out there? Why are more than half of the relationships failing out there? Because I believe men don't understand women. That's at least half of the reason, okay? I'm not saying that men are completely to blame. I'm just saying I'm at a point in my life where I always want to blame myself, because if I keep blaming other people, I never really become a better man. And if I would have started blaming other people and only continued in that, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. So date her like a bad boy, love her like a lover. You know, what do bad boys do? Bad boys do the unexpected. Bad boys just, you know, they kind of just show up and they shock her a little bit. They kind of may say something that's a little bit off the wall. They might just, I don't know, pick her up and just start making out with her right in the middle of the street. They'll just do random things, okay? And those are the types of things that bad boys should be doing. And, you know, a lot of times the nice guy just doesn't have those fun things about him. He just doesn't know how to turn on Earth, Wind, and Fire, crank up the music, and just start dancing with his woman. He doesn't know how to do that. He's too safe. He's too boring. How do we become this guy? Well, you just start taking little steps. So randomly, just try one of these things. Turn up music, start dancing with her. Randomly just start kissing her when she's mid-conversation. Do something just totally off the wall to spike those emotions. You will find that in your future relationship with her, whoever this is, you will find that things will be better for you and her. You know, she's going to be happier, you're going to be happier, the dynamic's going to be better. The worst thing we want to do is just kind of sit back and say, well, I got her, and now, you know, she should just love me now because I put in the work, and she should love me for who I am. Well, the problem with that mindset is you become complacent. And when you become complacent, you become boring. And when you become boring, you're out, dog. So thanks for watching this video today. Never forget to date her always continually, even if you're married, like a bad boy, and love her like a lover. And if you guys are interested in learning how to become your best alpha male, go ahead and click that link above me or in that description box below. That will take you right over to my website where you can check out my new audiobook, see if you're interested in it, make the purchase, and you're on your merry way. You guys have a great day. Be empowered.